Say hello to the Zapp, a beginner's permanent jewelry welder with a price every novice PJ artist will appreciate. At just $999, the Zapp provides a low-cost solution to starting your own permanent jewelry business. Unlike other low-cost welders, the Zapp was designed specifically for permanent jewelry and is made in the USA. And here's a bonus. If you ever need assistance, the Zapp is supported by a US-based customer service team and sold with a 180-day manufacturer's warranty. Just call or text for prompt, knowledgeable assistance. The Zapp delivers 3 to 10 joules in single joule increments, which is just the right amount of energy to close most bracelets and anklets. The Zapp is argon ready for cleaner, stronger welding results that boost customer satisfaction. As a starter welder, the Zapp helps you gain a toehold in the permanent jewelry industry. When the time is right, you'll want to trade your Zapp for an Orion permanent jewelry welder that offers more power, more energy control, more precision, and more customization. A professional welder used by more PJ artists than any other welder. Let the Zapp help you get started and then upgrade to an Orion welder to grow your business. Learn more by visiting sunstonewelders.com/Zapp.